Good morning students. Black 28 subject civics. Today we are going to learn about the topic India's foreign policy. Students, next you learn the aim. What is the aim of in this lesson? Explain the main features of India's foreign policy. Students, next you learn the keywords. The keywords are non-alignment. Students, I asking one question, so listen carefully. Okay, what kind of relation should you have with your neighbors? Did you know, students? Yes, we should have friendly relations with our neighbors, just as a country must have good relations with other countries. Students, we will learn about the main features of India's foreign policy. Students, next shall I go to the case study. Situation 1. China's official maps in 1954 showed parts of Arunachal Pradesh and the Aksai Chin region of Ladakh as part of their territory. When questioned, the Chinese premier Zhou Enlai claimed it was an error. However, in 1956, Zhou Enlai claimed that Aksai Chin was part of China. In 1958, India officially said that Aksai Chin belonged to India. Eventually, in 1962, India and China went to war over these territories. What should India's policy have been in this situation to prevent the war? Students, shall I go to the situation 2? Students, shall I go to the next situation? After the end of the Second World War in 1945, there was tension between the United States and the former Soviet Union. This was known as the Cold War, where both the countries developed nuclear weapons that threatened peace and security in the world. Many countries of Western Europe supported the US, and many countries of Eastern Europe supported the former Soviet Union. Both the countries demanded that the rest of the world support them. What should India have done in this situation? Finally, India's foreign policy, to see what India's policy was for each situation. Students, next you learn the India's foreign policy. Panchashil non-alignment. Panchashil 5 principles of peaceful coexistence agreed upon by India and China. Non-alignment, not joining or supporting either US or former Soviet Union. After the Second World War, taking independent decisions on external and internal matters. Students, finally you learn the what are the main principles of India's foreign policy. Did you know, students? Yes, the main principles of India's foreign policy are to maintain peace and avoid war. India took this approach because it did not want to participate in violence or pay the cost of war. Thank you, students. You observing the video and complete the worksheet.